How much would you take for all the video game stuff? Just
the Xbox.
yeah.
You talking about the Kinect as well?
Just like, yeah, just like all this stuff right here.
Even the Xbox One games.
Thrifting ain't easy. I'm feeling creepy. Comping diapers on my eBay app.
Wait, hold on just a second. $7. Oops. Hi. How much are you taking on this stuff right here? On the OKI stuff?
I'll ask her.
Okay.
Tell Larry it's the $300. What is it? She said $300.
Oh.
Something.
Okay, never mind.
Yeah. All set?
I think his dinosaur says $6. This game says $2. And then these three things didn't have a price on them.
There's another part to him too, so you don't leave without it.
Oh, okay.
If you want it, like, it's like, remember Imaginext? There's like a thing that goes on his back that I can grab for you, so like
Okay.
you can stand on it if you want.
Gotcha. I'll look over there.
I'll do 3, so 6. Probably $1 for all of that.
Okay.
So 6, 7, 8, 9, $10.
$10.
12 with the move or with the game. Sorry.
12. You got
Got
it.
it.
His name is Elliot. Elliot? Hi, Elliot. My name's Connie. Elliot, did you hear that? Yeah. Any of that computer stuff, things there, I have no idea what some of it even is.
Okay.
If you want it, you can have it.
Oh, okay. Sounds cool.
I've been waiting for at least I want it.
I'll grab these couple things. How much did you want on these?
Oh, you can make me an offer?
$3.
Okay, that's fine.
Perfect.
All right, Elliot, grab those. So 5 small toys plus that.
Okay.
Would $7 be okay?
Yeah.
Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Perfect.
There you go. Thank you.
Yes.
Good morning. How are you?
Good.
Do you have any cords or anything for this? Just
Tony, your cords for your PS2.
nothing?
No, that's
Okay.
all I got.
Right on. Does the Xbox work?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. How much would you take for all the video game stuff? Just
The Xbox.
J-
You're
yeah.
talking about the Kinect as well.
just like all this stuff right here.
even the Xbox One games.
See, how much were you asking for those to begin with?
Xbox One games. $10 on those.
I don't necessarily care about those. I guess
The
just
games?
More, yeah, just I guess this, and that.
Because I was asking for $3. I'll do $2 on that if you want to do that.
4, 5, 6.
How much would you take all together, Tony?
That's what I'm trying to figure out,
Right.
honey.
I'd offer you like $50.
$50?
Yeah.
That's what I even had on that. Can you do 55?
55. Deal.
All right.
Sounds good. How much were you asking on this little Sirius radio?
Sirius Radio, I think I was just. Let's see what I had on that.
Hey,
I can't even find it. I'll sell that for $10.
I'll probably pass on that and
Okay.
just do this stuff for now. That's cool though.
That's the a la carte one where you can pay for the channels you want versus.
Oh, okay. That makes sense. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right,
All right,
man.
buddy. I appreciate you.
No problem. There might even be a game in that PlayStation. My daughter was the last one who
Oh,
had
okay.
that. so-
Gotcha, man. I'm going to take a couple trips, okay?
That's fine.
I'll be right back. Alright guys, so that was the footage from Saturday's sales. Like I said in my last video, not the best weekend of garage sales, but we were able to spend enough time and scrimp and scrounge enough to, I think, find enough to make it worth it. So I want to show you the haul from Saturday, but first I do need to give a quick shout out to Scott from the YouTube channel Trash to Cash. I'll put his link in the description. He made me this awesome vinyl banner right here. Try to get it all in this shot. That is really cool. I actually really enjoy Scott's channel, Trash to Cash, which makes it cool because I can honestly tell you that you should click that link down below because I think you'll enjoy his channel a lot. He does a lot of garage sale videos and he finds a lot of things that I don't see other people finding, and it's just really fun to watch. So make sure you check out Scott from Trash to Cash. Thanks so much, Scott. I'm really excited to hang this up somewhere. All right, on to the haul. So I can't remember exactly what the order was, but I think this was the first sale right here. This is a little Dell remote control with the IR sensor, and there's part of the IR sensor right there. And then this XPS, this Dell XPS case that can hold your software. It's got some earbuds in there, and I think some straps and stuff. Not normally stuff I would pick up, but the people were really sweet and they're just kind of make an offer. And I said $3 for all this. I think the remote's worth like 10. I've seen the binders being listed for like 8 to 15 or something, so it's okay that I paid $3 for this. Those earbuds are kind of cool, I think. Definitely not a big money maker, but sometimes when you're nice, I'll throw you a few bucks. That's what happened there. This sale right here I thought was going to be an awesome sale because I walked up and saw that huge box of Oki, is it Oki data or just Oki toner cartridges, and like the 3 boxes of printer drums, and it said make an offer. And in my head I was thinking, hey, it's a yard sale, they're gonna want like 20 bucks on it, so I'll probably pay the 20. Or, you know, like maybe they're crazy and they want like 50 bucks for it. It's probably still worth 50, so I might pay that. So I asked them what they were wanting, and the answer was $300, and all hope was lost. I did send them a message later because I found that yard sale on Facebook Marketplace, and I offered them like 75, and they responded back, and I thought maybe they were going to take it, but I still haven't heard back from them. I'd probably go as high as like 125 because it was pretty decent stuff, but I'm not going to lose sleep over it or anything. I did pick up a few things from their sale though. I got this PS3 Fight Night game for $2. No, it's not complete. I don't think it's complete. I think it probably had a booklet. I don't know. But on Amazon right now, this is selling for like 35 used, merchant fulfilled. So that's a pretty good score for $2. And then these two things right here, these were $1 combined, so 50 cents a piece. It's just the little Wii motion adapter thing in there. And then this is a Wii Speak microphone. I didn't know what that was beforehand, but for 50 cents I picked it up. Turns out it's not really worth buying. I think they're like 10 bucks brand new. So, I mean, I could still sell it and it would be super cheap to ship. So whatever. Found this little new old stock Radio Shack PC PC Link 24-range digital multimeter. It was $5. It's all new inside there. I've seen them used sell for between 30 and 35 bucks. So I'm thinking new old stock like this, I might be able to get 40, 45. There is a listing on Amazon with no one on the listing, so I might try there. We'll see. But an okay score for $5. Faux show. Faux show. The last sale was probably the best score, and you may be saying to yourself, I saw you pay $55 for all this video game stuff, and why would you pay that much? And I've kind of asked myself that same question, but I do have some reasoning. I do have thoughts that went through my head when I first saw this stuff that made that number make sense. And I still think I would have paid that again. I think it was a pretty good deal. Here's what I saw when I saw all this stuff. So he had the PS2 console marked at 20, Kinect sensor bar marked at 15, the Xbox with all the cables, which aren't up here, and 2 controllers for 25, and most of these games for $2 a piece. And this Battlefield he had marked at 8. So I offered him 50 for everything, and he came back at 55, and I took it. But as long as this PS2 works, which I have the cables here somewhere, I just need to hook it all up and make sure. I might sell it complete, or I might just sell it console only, because I'm seeing the console onlys sell for between 50 to 70 bucks a piece, depending on condition. Condition's pretty good. He said that there's probably a game inside it too, so I really need to plug it in, see if it works, and see what's inside it, because that could be a pretty decent score. The Kinect bar with these games, let's see, how many games are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've had decent luck selling Kinect bundles before. Depending on the amount of games, anywhere from like 30 to 50 bucks. That's not a ton of games, but add it to the 50 to 70, and then you got somewhere like around 40 bucks for this little bundle right here. That's not bad at all. An extra black wireless Xbox 360 controller, what, 15 to 20 bucks on its own, so that's pretty cool. And then I saw this complete system. It's a 120 gigabyte hard drive, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 games. So there's a bundle right there that I'm thinking somewhere between 50 and 100. I'm not exactly sure what a bundle like this is going for with a 120 gigabyte hard drive. Maybe 70-ish is kind of what I'm thinking. I could probably sell it locally on Facebook Marketplace and not have to worry about shipping and all that stuff. So I need to just decide exactly what I want to do. But also why I saw value in this lot is because I have about a half a dozen Xbox 360 controllers, a couple hard drives, and a couple Guitar Hero controllers that all need tested. And I don't have an Xbox 360 until now. So this is going to help me sell all that stuff that's just laying around, which is actually going to do pretty well right now. So before I sell this off by itself, I'll be able to test and sell all that stuff. And the deal makes sense to me at $55. I think. Plus, it's always fun buying lots of video game stuff, in my opinion. But that's what I got for you guys today. Thank you, as always, so much for watching the video. But until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya. Bye.
When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.